Hi, we're from Koons Manufacturing. Today we're going to show you some helpful tips on your tie grabber.
In this video, we're going to show you how to thread the twine. There are instructions inside the lid of the twine box that you can refer back to. To begin, we're going to lift the top plate of the twine tensioner, threading the twine through there and through the first insulator. We're going to take it towards the center of the grabber through the back side of the second insulator. We're going to follow the twine arm down and through the third insulator, dropping the twine down to thread it through the needle. Okay, now you're ready to thread the needle. You're going to take the end of the twine, run it through the back of the needle, pushing it through until it comes out of the front. Next, you're going to take this end of the twine, run it through the bottom of the plate, bringing it up and tying it off on the grabber frame. You can also tie it off underneath on one of the 2x2 frame members. What this does is it holds the end of the twine while you cycle the twine arm and needle into the knotter. The knotter will cycle one time. The short piece that you tied off will drop down, and the twine coming out of the needle will stay into the knotter when you bring the twine arm back around to reset for your next grab of hay.
Thanks for watching. You can find more helpful tips on our YouTube channel. Visit us at koonsmfg.com or give us a call at 877-296-5851.